Hi mga kabasa! In this video, we are going to talk about the meanings and proper usage of two confusing verbs, which are lie and lay. Lie means to recline or to be in a horizontal position. In Tagalog, ang lie ay nangangahulugang humiga or mahiga. On the other hand, lay means to put or place something down. In Tagalog, nangangahulugan itong ilagay, ilapag, or ilatag. For example, the student lays his pen on the table. So yun po yung pinagkaiba ng lie and lay. Maraming salamat po. Happy aral! Follow us for more informative videos.